guys, this is my first tutorial on voice. It's very odd to me to do this thing, but I think it's time to do it. Now what I'm going to show you today I'm going to show you how to change your League of Legends sounds, character sounds and picking face character champions names into Japan. Now you need two things which are in my description, the description of the video. These two things, this RAR, this mirror package, and this Wooxy. Wooxy is a software which can change your game, your League of Legends game, like 50%. You can change the map, you can change heroes with it, you can change voices, you can change sounds, you can change HUD, you can change a lot of things. Now, you just have to download this one and this one. The Wooxy one, you need to install it. It's on their website. Just use the links I posted in my description, in the description of the video. Now, what do we have to do here? After you download LoL Japan Voices, it will ask for a password when you extract the files. The password is this one. I'll show it here. It's www.bzone.webs.com. Okay, now after you downloaded this and extracted it onto your desktop, because it's this folder, you start Wooxy. When you start Wooxy for the first time, you have to choose the League of Legends install folder. Just choose that and it will start smoothly. Now, after it starts, waiting it to start. Come on, man. Faster, please. We're waiting. Go back hang. Okay. Now this will be very hard to do what I'm doing, but I'm doing this because I got little struggle with this. Here are latest skins, you can see latest skins posted. Anyways, let's go to the job. You click on skins after you start Wooxy. Click on skins. Then you see I have here again. I have it already, but it doesn't matter because you won't have anything here. You just click import skin, then you go on add files, then you go where you extracted these LoL Japan voices. Oh damn, I forgot to. Okay, now you have to extract these two. Anyways, now we enter the Java file, select all the things, open it, and it will skip files. That's the trick here. Just don't do anything. Just wait till you get 100 here. See? Still skipped files. Okay. This thing tricked me. I thought Jinx, because the Jinx files were being skipped, can't get sounds. Japanese sounds. Okay. Now you click again this. Add files. And again. You do this till you don't have any files added. Any. You need to have 658 skipped files. No. Come on, man, come on. Okay. Again. Back again. As you can see, it works usually 4 or 5 tries. 4 or 5. That's how long it took me last time I did it. Yes. Because we have 2 now. Yeah, I think this is the one who's next is the last. I think that. Let's see. Let's hope so. So, who don't have Japanese voices right now are Ilaoi. I don't know if that's how you say it in English. Ilaoi and Kindred, I think. Yes, so 658. You click done, you click save, then you put the name, champ, sounds, I don't know, whatever name you want. Chose this, sound mode, character sounds, save skin. When you click save skin, you see here's a loading bar. I just saw it. I didn't know last time. I was like, where this fuck window closed? Why is it taking so long? I just see it now. No, this is so crazy. Okay, now we let it finish. And now, if you want to change the voices, the picking face, champion name, you go into League of Legends folder, then you go into Reds, then you go into projects, then you go into LoL Air Client, then you go on release, then you go on the lastest one, 1.182, deploy, assets, sounds, and you go into raw underline. You go, if you have English right now, it will be NUS, this one. So you go and copy that. Mine is right now is raw, underline raw. You copy it, then you paste it. Okay. Then you can see you change it to another name and open the folder, open champions, and you extracted here champions. Select all this, copy it, paste it, replace it. That's the whole thing. This is the only thing you have to replace to get it back. Here it's much easier. If you don't want Japanese anymore, you click on uninstall. Very simple. Now after it loaded, it appears here install. Click install. Then you can play LoL and have Japanese voices. Now, thank you for watching. I'm really sorry for my rough English. This is my first tutorial using my voice, because